So IOnctura was created in June this year. I think what sets us apart is the fact that the business model is quite unique. The business model consists of assets that have been in-licensed from a pharma company, Merck in Germany, and Cancer Research UK, a charity. And we pulled together 5 assets that all focus on the tumour microenvironment, and really targeting the tumour microenvironment to boost the efficacy of first generation checkpoint inhibition. And that's another area that makes us a little bit different from others. So we already have a pre-agreed supply agreement with Merck to allow us access to Bavencio to do our phase 1 testing for our lead asset. So checkpoint inhibition has been revolutionary in oncology for a small set of patients. So although it's driving an unprecedented market growth, it's currently believed, and the numbers are quoted, that 20% of patients are really touched by checkpoint inhibition. And there's various mechanisms.
So you want to get to the other 80%?
Exactly. We want to expand, sensibly expand and target those patients that currently today are either untouched by checkpoint inhibition. Now, one of the reasons is thought to be the fact that the tumour has this microenvironment surrounding it that keeps immune cells out. So it's really a very immunosuppressive environment. So you can take the brake off the checkpoint, off the immune system using the checkpoint inhibitor. However, if your tumour microenvironment isn't allowing the immune system in, taking the brake off makes no difference. Our lead molecule, which goes into the clinic next year, is an uber-specific PI3K delta molecule. And what that does is actually target MDSCs and regulatory T cells. And these are cells that the tumour uses to evade the immune system. So if you can decrease the function of Tregs or the number of Tregs and take down the number of MDSCs, and then you take the brakes off the immune system using your checkpoint inhibitor, then you have a great combination. So our principal strategy is to combine with checkpoint inhibitors. So to use one of our molecules and combine with a checkpoint inhibitor. Now, that's not to say that somewhere in the future, if the biology leads there, that potentially we could combine a PI3K delta inhibitor potentially with an autotaxin. So it's not in our yes, exactly, and we do it rationally, and we let the biology lead us. Not only do we have Cancer Research UK, but we also have their discovery labs. So there's quite a few stakeholders involved. And of course, Avelumab is co-owned by Pfizer and Merck as well. Well, we're raising Series A currently, okay, and that will bring us 3 years of funding. And our plans are that our lead molecule will have completed phase 1B studies by then. So we should have clear clinical proof of confidence that our molecule combines with Avelumab or another checkpoint inhibitor. Our second product will be partway through the phase 1A, and I hope to have built up a company that really is a standalone company that has all the core expertise within it to make this a success.